Hey sis, hey! If you're ready to lose 20 pounds while eating comfort food your whole family will love, then this is the recipe for you, boo. Baby, I love me some Wendy's chili. So much
Wow.
so I had no choice but to make my own version. And you're gonna love my copycat Wendy's chili, not just for the flavor, but over the years I've helped hundreds of women snatch their waist with this recipe right here. And girl, it's your turn. So grab your stock pot because we're about to make this copycat Wendy's chili together. So go ahead. We start with a warm stock pot with about a tablespoon of avocado oil. That's what I've been using here lately, but you can also use olive oil. And in that pan, you can saute all the veggies that's in the recipe. But honestly, I prefer just to use this Trader Joe's soup staple in my house. It has the onions, it has the celery already in it. It's already diced, it's already chopped. This recipe does not even call for carrots, girl, but guess what? The carrots gonna be included. It's just easier and faster to use these pre-cut veggies for me because I'm on the go. I have things to do, right? Now I did add my diced green pepper. I diced that one up myself, added that in there. And I'm all about making things easier and faster. And this recipe calls for you to cook your veggies first and then add the ground turkey. But honestly, you can cook your ground turkey in a saute pan on the side while you are also cooking your veggies. And once your ground turkey is done, you can simply add it to the stock pot of cooked veggies and then stir that thing up. So you're saving what? 10 minutes right there. So by the time I am done, I have my cooked ground turkey and I have my sauteed vegetables all ready to go. And by the way, I'm using 2 pounds of 93% lean ground turkey for this recipe. Be careful not to get the 93% or the 99, I'm sorry, the 99% because it is absolutely dry. So when people are saying they don't like ground turkey, they're probably buying the wrong one. I either get the 93% or I get the 90%. Now that your turkey is cooked and your veggies are soft, and it's time to build that signature chili base. And here's what you're going to add. You're going to add 120-ounce can of tomato sauce. Get your tomato sauce in there. You're going to add 1 14-ounce of canned stewed tomatoes. You can slightly puree them in the blender if you want, but I just went ahead and just left it like it was and added it right there to the chili, just as is. You can also use 1 14-ounce can of kidney beans. Now I do drain and I rinse them using my colander under the sink. So before I throw them in here, because it lessens the sodium and all of the cream that come inside of the can for the beans. It's not all included and mixed in. Right. Another 14-ounce can of pinto beans. I drained and rinsed that as well. And then give everything a quick stir so it's all well combined. Now let's season this thing. So I added 2 tablespoons. I wish, girl, it's not actually tablespoons, it's teaspoons. I love cumin, right? 2 teaspoons of cumin, right? 1 1/2 teaspoons of chili powder. But you can add more if you like, a little kick. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. And I love me some good pink salt, but you can also use sea salt or even kosher salt. And don't forget to add 2 cups of water to thin out the chili at the end because we want everything to simmer to perfection. So let that thing simmer, sis. Then turn the heat down to low, cover that stock pot, and then just let it simmer for about a whole hour. Just go do your thing, clean up or do whatever it is you're doing. But we're gonna let it simmer because that's where the magic happens. That's where the flavor blends. That's where the spices bloom. And your kitchen, how your whole house is gonna be smelling amazing. And that really is just it. Right, that's it, sis. That is the recipe to our copycat Wendy's chili, and it'll be ready to serve in about an hour. And let me tell you why I love this recipe. Your whole family's gonna love this recipe. It's packed with lean protein and fiber. It's gonna keep you full and satisfied. It's warm, it's comforting, it's perfect for meal prep, right? You can freeze the extras that you have, but you're probably not gonna have extras because your family's gonna love this too. It's so flavorful, you will forget you are actually eating healthy, right? And it's another recipe that's so full of flavor and will keep your waistline slim and trim. We're trying to snatch our waist, honey. Now, sis, if this recipe inspires you to rethink your comfort food game, I need you to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. Don't forget, we are doing this whole series about how to lose 20 pounds in 90 days, and these are all recipes that's going to help you get there. Let me know in the comments if you plan on making this chili. I absolutely love hearing from you, boo. Until next time, let's keep slaying our goals and snatching our waist one delicious meal at a time. I'll see you in the next video, boo.